Hello and welcome to the first video tutorial for PropertyWizard, my add-in for Autodesk Revit that allows you to set parameter values automatically. I'm going to run through the first tutorial in the PropertyWizard Help document, which is this here. And you can see it's quite a detailed help document, I hope. And down here in contents, you've got a series of getting started tutorials, and we're going to go with the first one called Hello Wall. This is the tutorial. And to make a start, we open a new Revit model, draw some walls, and start PropertyWizard by clicking the PropertyWizard button. So I'll go back to Revit and draw some walls. This is just a standard metric template. So I'm just going to draw a few walls in any shape. And then go to the Add-ins tab and hit the PropertyWizard button. Now, PropertyWizard wants to get set up in this model, so we'll say set it up, and now it's enabled. This gives us the PropertyWizard main window. I'll just flip back to the help file so we can see what to do next. So we've done this bit of setup. Now we're at the main window, and you can see here at the bottom it says click Add to start adding a new formula, and that'll open the formula window. This is the Add button here. And then moving on to the next step, when we're in the formula window, there are some steps here to do. So let's go back to Revit. And here we are, we can click Add to add a new formula, and here's the formula window. 3 boxes, Category, Target Property, and Formula. Category is the category of elements that you want this formula to affect. Target Property is the parameter you want to set the value of on each of the elements in that category. And Formula is the formula we're going to use to set the value. So, checking back what the help file tells us to do, we're going to go for walls. We're going to go for walls, comments in the target property box, and then type hello wall with the quote marks in the formula box. So let's go back and do that. So here we are. We'll go for walls. We can just type W to get down to walls. And the target property here is comments. Oop. And the formula, muffled papers, is hello walls. We'll get there in the end. Right, so there we go. What do we do next? So let's go for the pop across the help file, and then we say what it says is click OK in the formula window, and then click Update All in the main PropertyWizard window. This will update your walls comments property using your formula. Well, will it? Okay. So let's go back over to Revit and say OK here, and then Update All here. Well, evaluating the formulas gave this result. So we've checked 4 elements, or 4 walls, and 4 were updated. Let's go take a look. Let's go. We'll say OK here. Let's look at this first wall. And you can see down here the comments say hello walls, and so do the other walls here. Isn't that fantastic? Okay. Let's see what the help file says about that. Well, so this is the results dialog we saw, and then here we can see the hello wall. Now, in the help file there's some stuff about fixing errors. If you get errors, then this is the bit to consult, but hopefully you've succeeded. If you want to follow along and have a go at that with PropertyWizard, and then in the next video we'll go on to the next tutorial and see how it works and how to get more out of PropertyWizard. Okay, thanks for watching.